Hi guys, Stan from Nyle here with another exciting episode of KilnTech. Today we're going to talk about day-to-day maintenance on the L200 and the L53. There isn't a lot you've got to do, but there's a few things you want to just keep an eye on. First, if you lift your filter out, you have your evaporator. The water condenses on it. When it does, it's also carrying the tannic acid out of the wood and other things. It can build up over time on your coil. My advice if you're drying oak would be every 1 or 2 loads, rinse it off with a spray bottle of soapy water, just dish soap and water, and let it rinse off. No real heavy water pressure, just pour water over it, and you're good to go. If you think you've got some buildup and you want to scrub it, don't use anything heavier than a soft nylon bristle brush like you'd use in your kitchen. Next, the filter. The best thing for it is take it out. Again, if you're drying a lot of oak, wash it every few loads. Other hardwoods than that, basically go by eyeball, and softwoods. Take it out, put it in a tub, just lay it down in a tub of warm soapy water, just dish soap and water. Let it soak overnight. In the morning, just give a bit of scrubbing action, going back and forth with it in the tub. Pull it out, set it aside to dry, and you're done. Now, I don't have any samples here for this. The other thing is, always check to make sure your drain line is clear before you start a load. Nothing's growing in it or something like that, so that way you'll be good to go. And last is periodically, again, this is going to depend on what you find when you do it, go through the control box and the kiln unit with your screwdriver and just check that all the screws are tight. These units do get some vibration and screws occasionally do back off. If you have none, then it's just a random check every once in a while. If you do find some loose, then maybe do it a bit more often. Okay, that's all for now on this episode of KilnTech.